welcome back to my channel. My name is Tega Clifford, and if this is your first time, finding me out or checking me out or clicking on any of my videos, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're a former subscriber or a former viewer that hasn't subscribed, good to see you too. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share. So today I'm going to be doing a dye tutorial. So I'm going to dye my hair and change my style. I'm feeling very creative. I'm going to take you through the process of how I'm going to dye my hair, the products I'm going to use and everything. So stay tuned, guys. So for today I'm going to be using a mixture of two different brands. Yeah, Creme of Nature and Revlon. Yeah, so I'm going to be using Creme of Nature in light golden brown and Revlon Colorsilk in light golden blonde. So I'm going to be using these two to dye the whole of my hair. I am going to use my Afro by Nature Gooseberry Vital Restore Deep Conditioner. Gooseberry Vital Restore Deep Conditioning Mask. This will help to reduce breakage or avoid breakage actually. And I'm going to be using also my Afro by Nature moisturizing shampoo and my coconut water revitalizing conditioner. This is going to help reduce the breakage of my hair, and yeah, pretty much. And I'm going to be doing a voiceover because my fan is making a lot of noise at the back. I'm sure you can hear it, so I just want to cut that out. So I'm going to be doing a voiceover. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share. Let's go through this process and find out if it's gonna work. I'm excited.
So I just matted my hair into 4 places to make it easy for me, and I'm just going to unravel or open all the products that I have with me and mix everything like I was instructed to do by the paper in the carton. Yeah, so I'm just going to mix everything together. I'm not going to apply all the products at once so that they mix properly. Then I'm going to mix all of them into this container to achieve the particular color that I want. It looks like Pap Ogi Baba. Then I have my gloves on to protect my nails, so I'm just going to start applying them to my hair bit by bit, patting my hair, making sure that it touches everywhere. I started with the front so that it could dye properly before the back, because I noticed that every time I dye my hair, the front takes a longer time to dye. Yeah, so just twist back and wrap up, and I do the same for the rest of the hair. When dyeing my hair, I make sure that I get to the tip of my hair so that I can have a uniform color like I want. And I'm just going to wrap it up so it doesn't stay in my face. Then I'm going to use my detangling brush. This is a necessity for me because of the type of hair that I have. I always use this when dyeing my hair, even when washing my hair, to detangle my hair. And then I'm just going to twist this part up. This brush might take a lot of product, but it helps to reduce the cutting of my hair. That's why I really like it, and the result will be amazing. So I'm just going to make sure that the product gets to my edges, and that is it. Then I'm going to spray my hair with water. This helps to sink in and make it dye faster and better. And I've been using this process for a while, and it's been working well for me. Just put a little bit of water. The moisture helps us to sink in. And then I didn't have foil paper. This was what I had, and this worked for me. If you don't have foil paper, you can use your gift wrapping paper as a substitute. Just tie it properly and put your shower cap on it. This helps to basically make the color really come out well. And I left it for 30 minutes, just 30 minutes, and I'm taking it all out. Because I don't want, dye can actually burn your hair if you leave it for a very long period of time. And this is the color that came out, and it made my hair really coily. Like my coil pattern was so voluminous. It's amazing. And I'm going to go in my Afro by Nature Gooseberry Deep Conditioning Mask. This is to stop the breakage of my hair, because people believe that dye cuts the hair. So to avoid cutting, I'm just going to deep condition my hair using this product, and I'm just going to massage it into my scalp properly like properly, and then use my fingers to detangle so that the product gets to the root of my hair. And I'm going to use my detangling brush again just to detangle, and I'm going to do that for the rest of my hair. Make sure that the product gets to every part of my hair, like every part, no missing strand. Everything must be deep conditioned. Honestly, I love dyeing my hair because I don't know, it's amazing. Can you see the color? You can't see the color now, but the color is there. I'm just going to make sure that it gets to all my edges, and I'm going to put my shower cap on it again. I left it for about 1 hour this time around, and I'm going to use my coconut water conditioner, after shampooing my hair, and voila. Can you see my coil pattern, guys? Amazing. And there was no shredding of my hair. It was weird, but I mean, I saw it coming. I used the product, so yeah. And I've washed my hair. I washed my hair and parted it into 4. And I'm just going to use my hydrating liquid conditioner from Afro by Nature and my black oil just to give my hair a bit of moisture, and also to make it not dry, because if it's dry, God, it's not going to be good at all, because dye already removes all the moist from your hair, so you need to keep your hair moist every time. So that, and I'm going to use the black oil to seal up all the products that I've used on my hair. My God, can you take a look at this baby? Are you looking at her hair? Hair on flick, everything pink. I'm just gonna mat it because I don't want my hair to shrink. This will avoid shrinkage. And I'm done. Yeah. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, like and share. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Wait for it, guys. Wait for it. Wait for it. Yeah. That's my hair. This is always my go-to style. I know, right? I'm pink. My eye look like Catwoman. Hey! Chukum chukum! Shimbam shimbam! Hey! I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! Please subscribe. Thank you.